Good morning, everybody, and Dow Jones is really looking tired on the weekly. So you can see how oscillators are grouped to the upside, and you can see we are kind of battling with this area here, and I just want to get where the high is there. So 38,276. Now when you start drilling down to the lower time frames, we are ranging. There's no two ways about that at the moment. Could be that we've broken through a range. There was a break last week and we tested it quite a few times, just forming another range, and now we've come back into a smaller area, but we'll get to that on the lower time frames. Trend is up. We are above the moving averages. Oscillators are forming diversions here, and that's bearish diversions, expecting a move back to the downside. I'm not convinced of anything at the moment, to be honest. I think we are completely confused and we actually have no idea of what direction we're going in. So if we just have a look at the price action of Friday, start off by moving down. Buyers came in off structure and then pushed it straight away to the upside. So drop below the 150, so a lot of people would have been short here. That failed, and then you had this little gap and then sideways for the rest of the day. So there was some there's some really interesting results on Friday, last week, and I suspect we're going to get a couple more this week. So when we just look at the logic here, we are sideways. There's no two ways about that. Beginning of the week, or sorry, not the beginning of the week, but last week before last, we were up, and then the whole of last week we pretty much sideways. Could be a case of strong move up, range, break, retest, move up. But if you just look at what happened on Friday, I think that's kind of a fake out on the top of the range, and the top of the range for me is right there. Okay, and that is 38,116. Now dropping down to the hour, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have a careful look here, you'll see the trend is up. We are respecting the 150 EMA, and I have no doubt that we are looking for longs. Oscillators should ease off. They are on their way down. This was a strong move up. You can see how the buyers came in. So I'd be looking left. Look for the most logical. There is one where we are right now at 38,057, but 3,800 is also a fairly strong level. And if you just take this swing high here, this daily high from the 19th of Jan, and then you just run along this range and look at how many times buyers and sellers have come in, and there's another pin bar off it which just missed, have come in off 37,961. So let's get down to the lower time frames and just have a look at what we're looking for today. We're looking for us to stay above the 150 EMA first and foremost. Was a bit chaotic on Friday. Now we are in amongst the moving averages, so ideally what you'd want to see is a break and retest of 38,116 at the moment. If you do drop below 38,057, I suspect you're coming back to 37,961, but 3,800 would also be on the cards. And there is a gap here, and I'm just putting the structure in. You see it right by the gap, and that's probably 38. So it's 38,015, so it's close enough. So that's kind of the zone that I'd be paying attention to. I'm not sure I'd be chasing shorts though. I think for me a short, we're gonna have to be breaking below 37,839 and retesting it before I start looking at shorts. So for me at the moment, it's pullback onto 38,057, 3800 or 3815, sorry, and then 37,961. That's kind of the area that I would be looking at for an opportunity to buy. If we do get all the way down to here at 37,839, I'd still be looking for an opportunity to buy. Okay, so lots of structure here in the zone I've given you. So So it would not surprise me to see we've had a strong move past, pull back, build a base, and then get another move up, and you're targeting 38,276. Okay, anyway, that's kind of my view for today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.